In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Shopify Partner account. Whether you're a developer looking to create apps, a designer eager to build themes, or simply someone interested in getting more involved with Shopify, setting up a partner account is the first crucial step. Now, let's get started on this journey together. First, you're going to head over to the Shopify Partner Program website. Once you're there, look for the button or link that says Join Now or something similar. This will take you to the registration page where you'll begin the process of creating your account. It's a straightforward step, but one that paves the way for a whole new level of engagement with your Shopify-related projects. On the registration page, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information. This includes your email address, your password for this account, and a business name. Take your time to choose a business name that reflects who you are and what you aim to accomplish within the Shopify ecosystem. Remember, this is your brand within the partner program, so putting some thought into this can be beneficial. Next, it's time to share some additional details about yourself. This might feel a bit in-depth, but it's all about helping Shopify understand your focus and how they can support your journey. Select what best identifies your primary role or interest. Are you a developer, a designer, or perhaps a marketer? Choose the option that best fits how you expect to engage with the Shopify platform. Once you've provided your details, review all the information you've entered to ensure it's accurate. Then, look for a button that prompts you to create account or submit. Upon clicking, you're not only setting up your new Shopify partner account but also opening the door to an abundance of resources, ranging from educational tools to comprehensive API guides that can help elevate your projects. At this point, you may need to verify your email address. Head over to your email inbox and look for an email from Shopify. If you don't see it immediately, check your spam or promotions folders, just in case. Follow the link provided in the email to finalize your account verification. With your email verified, you're now fully registered as a Shopify partner. You can dive into the dashboard, which is your control center for all activities associated with your partner account. Familiarize yourself with the various tabs and features. This is where you'll track performance, manage projects, access resources, and so much more. Before you wrap everything up, take a moment to explore the Shopify Partner Academy. It offers a variety of courses and webinars that can further enhance your skills and knowledge in using Shopify. Remember, staying informed and updated will help you make the most of your partner account. And that's it. You've now successfully set up your Shopify Partner account. Whether you're developing new apps, crafting unique themes, or venturing into any other Shopify-related projects, you have the tools and support to make your mark. Thanks for watching, and happy partnering!